Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will create this wave text animation easily and step by step in Blender. And we will see why we should have a good typography text if we want to make some deformation or destruction the text. So let's get started. First, we select the light and the cube, right click, delete. Now go here, add a text. We go here in properties of the text. We make it here in the center. We scale it a little. Now we go in the font and we choose a font. I chose this for this tutorial. Now I go here in geometry, extrude it, maybe I give it 0.05. I give it a little depth and the resolution, I make it 0. Now we go in edit mode and hit the text that you want. For me, as always, it's Blender. Now we have our text. Right click, go here and convert to mesh. Now, if you go here, we see our text has a typography, but it's not good. To resolve this problem, we go here in modifiers, add modifier, generate remesh. Don't worry if you see the text like this. We go here in the sharp, disable this, and we give it you see here we have a deformation, it's not good, so I increase the number to 10. Okay, now we have our text. It's good. Now we stay here in modifier, add modifier. In deform, we select wave. As you can see, our text is ready to wave, but we make some change, some modification. We want the text wave just in x-axis, not in x-axis and y-axis. So I disable this. I decrease this number in height to 0.1, and here I give it 0.3. Here I give it 10, and you go here in time, in speed, we leave it like this. Now if I play here in the timeline, we see our text is moving. Okay, I decrease maybe this to 0.1, and we see now he move slowly. You can increase or decrease this. Now we have our text. Here, when you see the plus, up and go in shader editor. Hit N to close this window, but first we must to save our project. So to save the project, you can go here and make it save as, or but you have a shortcut, Control S, and name it wave text and save the file. Now Alt Control 0, hit N, view, camera to view. Now we have our text. Now we add a plane, S to scale it, G, Z down, select the text, S, and scale it little. Here you see this window. I scale it in the y-axis, not y-axis, not x-axis, on y-axis, to make it just bigger, like this. Now okay, now it's good. Now go here in the world, in color, we select environment texture, and we open in your laptop or your computer, you select any HDRI. Now we switch here to cycles. I active a GPU, active your GPU if you have one. Here decrease the number to 0.01. The number here, I give it 32. Here 0.1, and the number I give it just 30. In the light pad, left click, select all this and give it 1. Disable this and this, and go in color management, very high contrast. Why I decrease this number? To make the render animation faster, because this wave effect take a time, and if you have a slow computer, it's take a time. Now we will give our text and the plane some materials. So I select the plane, make it metallic, give it any color you want. We go here, the render, I select the text, make it metallic, I decrease the roughness, GZ for the plane, to make it closer the text. We decrease the roughness, so I stopped here, and we go in the render image to see how it look as our image. As you can see, our text is like this. Now you can save. If you want just the image, save any image of the timeline. If you want to save the animation, go here in output properties and select a folder where you want your animation to be in your computer. Choose the resolution, and here in PNG select FFmpeg video, just like this. In encoding select MPEG 4. And here choose high quality and go here in a render animation and make your animation. It's easy. For this final result, I change the HDRI. I make this, and the text I rotated here. I rotated in 90 degrees in the x-axis. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.